Welcome! In front of me is a ZTE Blade V40s, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here we will find our screen recording toggle. For me it's right over here, so once you locate yours, you can simply tap on it. This will give you the overlay, and from here you can choose sound in the middle with the middle option, so you can have it mute, mic, or system sound. Choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with mute. Then I can start recording by tapping on the circle. You can pause it or stop it right here, and whatever you will do will be recorded by the device. Now once you're done, click on the square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. So you can open that up, and in here you can navigate to Library, and you will see screenshots. Screen recordings are saved into screenshots, so that's why it's here, and you can now view it. So there we go, that is how you can record your screen on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.